Your gate is the face of your home, and most people get it completely wrong. Today, you are going to see 40 gate designs that will genuinely shock you. We've got steel gates that look like they cost thousands, but don't. We've got designs that glow at night like something from a movie. And stick around for design number 38. It's a smart auto gate that honestly looks like it belongs outside a five-star hotel. You will not believe it's for a regular home. If home design ideas are your thing, hit subscribe. We drop fresh ideas every single week. Let's get into it, starting from design number 1. Design 1, the classic matte black steel frame. You've seen this before, but not like this. Slim vertical bars, matte black powder coat finish, clean, even spacing. It looks sharp, it looks modern, it goes with almost any house. This is the safe choice that somehow never looks boring. Tip: always go powder coated, not spray painted. Powder coat lasts years longer, especially in heat and rain. Design 2, horizontal slat gate with wood panels. Here's what's trending right now: mixing steel with wood. The frame is steel, but the panels are horizontal wooden slats. It feels warm, it feels modern, it feels expensive. But this one is actually very affordable to get made locally. This works beautifully if your home has earthy tones: beige, cream, brown. Tip: use teak or treated wood for the slats. It handles weather much better than regular wood. Design 3, laser-cut geometric steel gate. Okay, this one always gets a reaction. Beautiful geometric patterns are cut directly into the steel. Diamonds, hexagons, interlocking shapes. It looks like art. And the best part, when light hits it, the shadows it creates on your driveway are stunning. Tip: go for a matte black or dark charcoal finish. It makes the pattern pop even more. Design 4, full privacy steel panel gate. You know that feeling when neighbors can see everything happening in your driveway? Design 4 fixes that completely. Solid steel panels, no gaps, no visibility from outside. It also looks incredibly sleek, like a feature wall that happens to be your gate. Tip: pair this with good driveway lighting. Full privacy gates can look heavy without it. Design 5, steel frame with lower glass panels. This one surprises people every time. The bottom half has tempered glass panels set inside a steel frame. It lets light into your entrance. It feels open and modern, but it is still fully secure. Tip: use frosted or textured glass if you want privacy and light at the same time. Design 6, grand double wing swing gate. We've all seen those big entrance gates on luxury homes and thought, must be nice. Well, Design 6 brings that look to your home too. 2 wide wings, steel frame, clean finish. When both wings open together, it just looks like a grand arrival. Tip: if you're getting a double wing gate, plan for automation from the start. Manual operation gets old very fast. Design 7, ultra minimalist single bar design. Some homes need a gate that whispers, not shouts. This one has super slim vertical bars, barely there, pure simplicity. Against a white or gray wall, it looks like a high-end architectural detail. Tip: this design works best for smaller entrances. Too wide and it can look sparse. Design 8, copper accents on matte black steel. Here's a combination that looks absolutely stunning in photos. Matte black steel frame, copper finished details or handles. The contrast is warm, rich, and genuinely beautiful. Your home will look like it belongs in a design magazine. Tip: make sure the copper finish is lacquered, otherwise it will oxidize and turn green over time. Design 9, compact sliding gate for narrow driveways. If your driveway is tight, a swinging gate is not your friend. Design 9 slides sideways instead of swinging open. It saves space, it looks sleek, and you can automate it easily. Perfect for plots where every meter counts. Tip: make sure the wall beside the gate has enough clear space for the gate to slide fully open. Design 10, decorative circle cutout gate. Last one in our first set, and it's a great one. This gate has large circular cutouts punched into the steel frame. It's artistic without being loud, it's modern without being cold, and those circles, they frame the view behind the gate perfectly. Tip: this design looks even better when there's greenery visible through those circles, a plant, a hedge, anything. We're just getting warmed up. The next batch gets seriously creative, and one uses a material most people would never think of for a gate. Design 11, the Corten steel gate. Okay, this is the one I mentioned. Corten steel develops a natural rust-like surface all on its own. I know, rust sounds bad, but trust me, it is not. The result is a warm, textured, earthy tone that no other material can give you. It is massive in Europe right now, and it is starting to show up here too. Tip: Corten is best for homes with natural materials, stone walls, exposed brick, timber cladding. It fits right in. Design 12, full height privacy gate. This one goes from the ground all the way to the top. No gap, no space. Maximum security, maximum privacy. And when it's done in a brushed steel or dark finish, it looks powerful. Tip: full-height gates are heavier. Make sure your pillars and hinges are strong enough before fabricating. Design 13, diagonal bar gate. Everyone does vertical bars, everyone does horizontal slats. Design 13 goes diagonal. The lines run at an angle, and it changes the whole energy of the gate. It feels dynamic. It feels different. It will genuinely stand out on your street. Tip: diagonal designs can look busier at larger widths. Works best on medium-sized entrances. Design 14, classic archtop gate. Some designs are classic for a reason. The gentle curve at the top adds elegance to even the simplest steel gate. It's the kind of design that looks equally good on a traditional home or a modern one. Tip: pair an archtop gate with matching archtop stone pillars. The combination is hard to beat. Design 15, industrial thick tube gate. This one means business. Thick square steel tubes welded together into a bold, heavy-looking grid. It looks strong because it is strong. It's not trying to be pretty. It just is in a very raw way. Tip: sandblasted gray or dark charcoal finish works best for this style. Glossy paint makes it look cheap. Design 16 mixes stone gate pillars with a slim steel gate, contrast that just works. Design 17 uses bamboo-look steel profiles, the warmth of bamboo, the strength of steel. Design 18 goes ultra-thin, barely there bars that look almost invisible from a distance. Design 19 uses a dual-tone finish, dark gray frame with white infill panels, very graphic and bold. Design 20 brings color into it, a forest green gate against white walls, unexpected, beautiful. Design 21, the backlit gate. Stop whatever you're doing, look at this one. This gate has LED strips built into the frame. At night, it glows from behind. It looks absolutely unreal, like something from a sci-fi film. And here's the best part. The LED lighting kit is not expensive at all. The fabrication is where the cost is. The lighting, surprisingly affordable. Tip: use warm white LEDs, not cool white. Warm light makes the gate look luxurious. Cool white can look clinical. Design 22, perforated steel gate sheet. From far away, this looks like a solid gate. Up close, it's covered in tiny holes in a repeating pattern. It looks like steel lace, delicate but strong. The shadow this casts on your driveway during the day is genuinely beautiful. Design 23, house number built into the gate. This is such a smart idea. Your house number is not a separate sign. It is cut or welded directly into the gate design. It's functional. It's personalized. No one else on your street has this. Design 24, bold horizontal band gate. Wide horizontal bands of steel, stacked with small gaps between them. It looks architectural. It looks bold. It says this homeowner has taste. Works especially well on flat-roofed modern homes. Design 25, bronze finish heritage gate. If your home has classic or traditional style, this one is made for you. A steel gate finished in a warm bronze tone. It looks old world and rich, like it belongs on a heritage property. Design 26, the floating gate. There's a gap between the gate and the ground. It literally looks like it hovers. One small detail, massive visual impact. Design 27, concrete panel gate. Textured concrete panels inside a steel frame, rough against smooth, unexpected contrast. Design 28, Japanese-inspired bamboo look gate. Calm, zen, quietly beautiful. Design 29, Moroccan geometric cutout gate. Intricate star and lattice patterns cut into the steel, absolutely stunning close up. Design 30, European farmhouse gate. Rounded tops, antique black finish, warm and welcoming without being fussy. The last section has the best ones yet, including the design I promised you at the start. Don't skip this part. Design 31, American ranch-style weathered wood gate. Horizontal planks of aged wood in a steel frame. It looks like it came straight off a countryside estate. If your home has a relaxed, outdoor living vibe, this is perfect. Design 32, ultra-modern Italian flat panel gate. A flat sheet of steel, barely any detail, tiny perforations across the surface. It looks like someone turned a solid wall into a gate. Incredibly sleek, best suited to contemporary flat facade homes. Design 33, wave pattern steel gate. Instead of straight lines, this gate uses gentle wave-shaped cuts in the steel. It's different from everything else on this list. Soft curves, modern feel, very easy on the eye. Tip: keep the color simple if you choose a wave pattern. Let the shape do the talking. Design 34, dual material pivot gate. A pivot gate swings from the center, not the edge. It opens like a revolving statement. Combine a steel frame with a timber panel in this style. It is honestly one of the most dramatic entrance designs available today. Design 35, gate with stone cladding on pillars. The gate itself is simple steel, but the pillars on either side are covered in natural stone cladding. That combination of raw stone and clean steel is incredibly satisfying to look at. Design 36, gate with integrated planter boxes. This one always surprises people. On either side of the gate, the design includes built-in steel planter boxes. Add some greenery, add some flowers, your entrance goes from a gate to a whole moment. Design 37, terracotta accent color gate. Terracotta is having a huge moment in home design right now. Imagine a matte black steel gate with terracotta painted panels or bars. Warm, contemporary, completely unique on your street. And now, Design 38, the automatic sliding gate with brushed stainless steel finish. This is the one. It slides open silently. No handles, no visible latches, no hardware showing at all. Just a perfectly smooth, perfectly flat surface of brushed stainless steel. It has a sensor that detects your car as you pull up. You never touch it. It just opens for you. When it's closed, it looks like a feature wall. When it opens, it looks like magic. This is not a showroom gate. This is a gate you can actually have at your home. Tip: if you're going for this design, hire an experienced automation installer. The sensor calibration needs to be done properly or it will give you headaches. Get at least 3 quotes. Design 39, slatted gate with varying gap widths. Creates a rhythm, like music, but in metal. Design 40, black gate with integrated driveway lighting at the base. Looks incredible at night. And there you have it. 40 modern main gate designs for 2026, from simple and affordable all the way to absolute showstoppers. Now, I want to know, which design is your favorite? Drop the number in the comments below. Is it the clean classic number 1, the glowing number 21, or that jaw-dropping number 38? Tell me your pick. I read every single comment. If this video gave you even one idea for your home, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who love home design. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and turn on the bell. You do not want to miss what's coming next. Speaking of which, if you loved today's gate designs, our next video on modern sliding gate designs 2026 is going to blow your mind just as much. Click the card up there to watch it right now. Until then, take care of your home. It takes care of you. See you in the next one.